All right, guys, I'm here with Mateo right now at his shop. So what's going on, man?
What's going on, man?
So tell me a little bit about your shop.
Yes, my name is Mateo Motorsports. We build basically aerodynamics for a bunch of race cars, functional diffusers, front splitters, side skirts, and so on. We do custom engine swaps, you name it.
What do you got here, man?
Right here, this is my little baby, my little gold digger. It's a 95 M3 with a 6-liter LS6.
It's not a regular 6-liter LS6 though.
Yeah, it's twin turbo. Don't mind the mass, you know, I need more space, but it's work in progress. Sorry with the lightning.
So good. Look at that.
Twin turbo, T56, 6-speed manual.
What are the plans for the car?
It's gonna be a time attack. I'm drifting a little bit, you know, just a little all-around fun car.
All right, guys, take a look at this. Look at this custom diffuser right here, made in-house. Aluminum, right?
Aluminum, yes sir.
Full aluminum, none of that cheap ABS plastic stuff.
Aluminum, adjustable, and you can replace any of the pieces if you ever get into a crash or off-road. All functional.
All right, so you tell me a little bit about the process with the kit. What are we gonna be doing?
Okay, so today I'm just marking up the kit. Kind of happy with the way everything fits, so the next step is going to be mount everything up, mark it up, and then cut the areas and re-weld it, stitch it back up, and we'll go from there. So you can see, this is a very nice kit. It fit nice. I'll show you the pieces.
Sweet.
Front section now.
Yeah. This beast.
Man, the quality of this kit is top notch. Look at the fit. It's perfect. You don't need a lot of work, you know, it's perfect.
No
Nice and tight.
ripples.
No ripples, no nothing. It's just perfect.
There you go.
They did a great job on this kit.
For you guys that were debating on buying the Twin Z Design wide body kit, just go ahead and buy it. If you got the money, go ahead and buy it. And if that's the kind of thing you like, the fitment is great, the quality is great. This is good stuff. Go ahead and buy it if you want. You won't be disappointed. All right, so right here I got the 50mm spacers, temporary fix until my 3-piece wheels come in. But just to get the wheels I have already kind of flush with the wide body, and give you, an estimate of how wide this wide body is.
Let's try them out.
All right, this is the kit with 50mm spacers on my current wheel setup. Ooh, that looks nice. And when we put her down on the ground and the suspension compresses a little bit, it's gonna look pretty damn good. It's gonna be tight. Probably rub a little bit, I don't know. Look at that. That's almost perfect. We'll see. We'll find out later. All right, guys. We just put the 50mm spacers on the car. Temporary fix. So I get my wheels in from Rotiform. But we went ahead, put the spacers on, put the wheels back on, lowered it just to see how it'll look. It's not completely on the ground, but you can get a gist of how it looks with the spacers on. And I think it looks really good. Let's check it out. That's pretty much flush. When the coilovers compress down, it's gonna slightly tuck a little bit. Let's check out the rears. That's gonna be perfect. That looks damn good. When I get my other wheels, slam it down to the ground as much as I can with good wheel travel, it's gonna look amazing. I didn't think it was gonna look that good. Like, I had high hopes it was gonna look good. I didn't know it was gonna look that good. That looks really damn good. So I'm about to get ready to leave Mateo's shop. We talked about how we're gonna continue forward on the project. Everything sounds good. Very impressed with his work. The timeline, he said he's gonna have it done. Everything is going great. Test fitted the spacers. You probably see that, before this already. I thought it came out great. So I'm gonna drive home, edit this video, and post. Let me know what you guys think about the kit, the car, and hit up my boy Mateo for, if you're in the local area, Jacksonville, or you're willing to drive for some good quality work, hit up my boy Mateo at Mateo Motorsports.